All right. So welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. I want to say I really do appreciate the fact that you guys are continually tuned into my program. And I want to say thank you, a massive thank you for helping me to hit the 4,000 subscriber landmark. It was a great help from you guys. I really 100% appreciate it. I want to say thank you. Just continue to help me on this great journey, or join me on this great journey to provide consistent, up-to-date, and daily content on the Reggae Boyz team. This is not for now. This is for a long-term future of the Reggae Boyz team. This is for us to seek the best way how we can move forward with the Reggae Boyz. And today we're going to speak about Leon Bailey. Now, there's so much to talk about Leon Bailey. Leon Bailey is literally the poster boy for the Reggae Boyz team. He is the poster man. He's the guy. He's the go-to. He's the one that everyone says represents Jamaica. But my question is this the time for Leon Bailey to take a claim for his cause and his rightful heir at the throne? Now, what do I mean by that? Now, let's be honest, people. Let us be honest. His statistical record is not the best for the Reggae Boyz. And we have to be honest about that. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give you guys a tactical insight and a breakdown of what Leon Bailey season was like coming into this Gold Cup campaign. And then I'm going to show you guys his previous games, his previous stats for the Reggae Boyz teams, how he stats stand out for that team. So guys, please remember to smash that like button and continue to help me grow this channel. Massive respect again, people, for helping me to hit the 4,000 subscriber landmark. It was a great journey. Now, coming off a season, one of Leon Bailey's best season in world football, we could definitely say that this was one of his best seasons since he started to play for Bayer Leverkusen. So let me run through a few of his stats. So he played a total of 25 games and seen as 5 substitutions. Total minutes 22, 2,253 minutes. Minutes per game 75. So his average ratings for this season was actually 7.3, as you guys can see. Now he has a goal expectations, expect goal XG of 5.93, but he overshadowed that. He smashed that and scored 9 goals. So he had a total of 58 shots. 21 shots on target and 20 off target, 17 block shots, 15 offsides, and 24 fouls. Now, when we speak about fouls for the Reggae Boyz in the last Gold Cup campaign, he was the most fouled player in the team at that particular time. He was the most fouled player in the Reggae Boyz team. Now, secondly, let's move into his assists. So he has 8 assists this season. And expected assist was actually 5.93, just the same as expected goal. And definitely, you could definitely see that he's actually outshining his goal expectancy and also his assist expectancy. And he smashed those easily. He completed, he made 791 passes, completing 621 of those, finishing the season with 79% pass completion. 25 tackles attempted and completing 14 of those. Tackle success rate is 56. And you know we will need those type of things into the team. And he finished the game with 24 fouls and 6 yellow card. Now, what does that mean for Leon Bailey season? It means that definitely based off output, he would rank in one of the top 10 wingers or top 5 wingers in the Bundesliga. People can argue and dispute about that, but that would be very futile. Now, in 2019, Leon Bailey was recorded as one of the top dribblers in the Gold Cup campaign, completing over 4 dribbles and completing over 9 dribbles, literally averaging 2.2 dribbles per 90. And literally, as I said, he was the most fouled player in the Reggae Boyz team. So you could definitely see that. You could look at it in a case in which he was trying to take on people. He was trying to get things done. Now, if we should look at Leon Bailey's record for the Reggae Boyz, let's look at his record. Let's have a more in-depth look at his record for his records for the Reggae Boyz. So he played a total of 8 games. He had one goal and 3 assists. So that's 50% goal contribution margin in the 8 games. In the Gold Cup 2019, he has 4 appearances with 1 assist. International friendlies, 2 appearances with 1 assist. And CONCACAF Nations League, 2 appearances, 1 goal, 1 assist. So in accordance to goal ratio for the CONCACAF League, Nation League, it was actually his best stint with the team. But it is actually telling me that he does have a lot to offer. Now let's run through some of his appearances. So the last appearance he had was actually against the Saudi Arabia team, in which Jamaica, the Reggae Boyz, won that game 2-1. He had an assist in that game. And then now the one before that was the smashing that we got 3-0 against the same Saudi Arabia team. He didn't feature in a few of those games and went back to the CONCACAF Nation League, in which he played against Haiti, where we slapped them 6-0. We slapped them 6-0, not 80, my bad. Why did I say 80? Antigua and Barbuda, we slapped them 6-0, and he had an assist in that game. But in all essence, a 50% goal ratio, I won't say it is the best. I do believe that it is something that he can actually work on and improve a lot. So going into this Gold Cup campaign, the good thing about it is that he's actually coming off a season in which he was in great form. I'm hoping that his small injury setback did not affect his performance. And going into the Gold Cup this Gold Cup campaign in particular, I am expecting great things from Leon Bailey. He should be the one, as we said, he should be the one who is going to take the game by the scruff of the neck and take it to all those teams. So we're expecting to see a great game from him against the group stages, also moving further, because everyone is having high hopes on this Gold Cup campaign. And I do believe that some of those hopes are rested on the young man's shoulder. Why is that so? Because as I said previously, Leon Bailey is a poster boy for the Jamaican team. And being the poster boy for the Jamaican team, it's expected that you put in that poster boy performance, that standout performance. And I do believe that that is something that he has in him. And that is something that we're expecting to get from him. Coming off a solid season, smashing Bayern Munich. And if you can smash Bayern Munich, I doubt any one of those teams in the group stages can actually put a finger on you. So people, this is just a bit of insight on Leon Bailey's previous season that he just completed. Also, a little bit about his appearances for the national team. So I'm hoping that you guys learned something, and we're looking forward to see our poster boy getting his best out of this Gold Cup campaign. And I do believe that this Gold Cup campaign is one in which he can highlight it for him. And I can say I've heard rumors now, few more rumors. I won't get into it about where Leon Bailey is going. I'll be doing a transfer for that. I'll definitely be doing a transfer for that one. But massive respect, people. Make sure that you smash that like button and subscribe to. Go on the campaign now for 5K. We're on the campaign to 5K. Help me get there, just as though you helped me got to the 4K campaign. So massive respect, people. Remember to smash that like button, and definitely would appreciate it. Let this video just run wild. So Leon Bailey, poster boy. Let's see what the poster boy can do for the Reggae Boyz this time around. This is Military Guna TV, people, and I'm expecting big things from Leon Bailey. I'm expecting at least minimum 3 goals from Leon Bailey this particular season, and maybe 3 assists. So that's 6 goal contribution leading to the finals if we get there, and I'm hoping that we do. Massive respect, people. Military Guna TV, and I am out.